Hi. Alright, so as many of you guys may know, I have been posted in about 2.5 years. But I'm back. Oh god. As you can tell, I'm back. I look a little more grown, a little bit less like a little, I don't know what I was gonna say, a little bit less like a fetus. So yeah, last time you saw me I was in 8th grade. Now I'm gonna be a junior. Time flies. Today it's my first video back, so I just kinda wanted to do like a little everyday makeup quick thing. I don't know. I have a little bit of makeup on because I went to work earlier and I wanted to cover up my grossness just a little bit with like some concealer, but yeah, I'm gonna be taking it off and like doing my makeup for like literally no reason, but it's okay. So yeah, let's just get into it. Hi. So I zoomed you guys in. Sorry. So anyways. Now that I just took off all my makeup, my skin's kind of feeling dry, but I'm also getting up and using moisturizer. So recently what I've been using is the Tarte base tape. I got it in like an Ipsy thing. It's a hydrating primer, and my skin really enjoys getting hydrated, so I just kind of do that. I think it's really unhygienic, but whatever. Okay, so recently I went to Chicago and I went to Sephora and I felt like buying something, so I bought this tiny little, like, it's like smaller than my nose, thing from Milk Makeup of I don't know, it's like the primer. So I just like been putting it onto like my nose and the little area around it and some of my forehead, and I'm not gonna lie, I think it actually makes my skin look a little bit better. I don't know, I did my makeup this one day and actually like, took the time to like blend my foundation like kind of well, and my makeup didn't look that bad. So oh, and by like no means do I like know what I'm doing. Like I slap stuff on my face and I just hope I like don't look like a freaking garbage can. Okay, so I should probably tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation, and I am using the shade Bare Neutral, which, by the way, is like way too light for me. Like, I used the Rainforest of the Sea once upon a time, and it's empty, and it was like so much darker. Like, I don't know if you can tell. And for some reason I like bought this one and it's like way too light for me. So let me tell you what I do. I just like dot it around my face. And recently I've been trying to use a little bit more foundation because I realized that my gross redness pokes through sometimes. Anyways, then I take the Cosmetics CC Plus cream in the shade Bare Light, which is too dark for me. Do you get what I'm doing? Okay. Then I take like, that's too much. I take like some of this because okay, the thing is my neck is like pale, but my arm's like so much darker. So my face always looks so much lighter than my body. And then I take a Morphe sponge. I usually wet it right before, but I did my makeup like a while ago. Alright, so I guess we'll do a little chit chat part now. Currently, I am going into my junior year of high school, which I am definitely not excited about, like, one bit, because I know that this year is gonna suck and it's gonna be so hard, and I know that I took on a really big workload and I have work and dance and yeah, but whatever. I guess I'll deal with it. I know it's gonna be like doable, but whatever. Anyways, we'll come back to the lipstick part in a second. So then I take my concealer, and as you can see, I don't have much left, but it's the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I use the shade Fair 08, and I tried to put too much on. I say like try to look good, but without being like, I woke up at 4 AM for this, you know? Anyways, so this I like do quick because I crease really fast, but I already dumped it out. It's the Coty Air Spun powder. I know that it like gives you flashback. I don't care. I don't know, it's cheap and it's lasted me a while and it sets my makeup in place, but it's not even gonna be taking like flash photography every day, so I don't really care. And then whatever's left in my beauty blender, I just kind of put on my eyelid to just like cover up my veins. And then while that's like more creased, I take like this random brush that I bought from like a cheap website, like it was like Wish or something, and it's like a flat brush. It came with like a contour kit that was also really bad, but I want to like do that with the powder to like, I don't know, because I crease, so I put a lot on. Recently I like logged back into my channel, right, to like, I don't know, because I wanted to get back on here, so I was looking at my most viewed video, which has like 34,000 views and it's my dance life hacks video, and I had so many hate comments, guys, like because I say like too much, and I know I'm still doing it, and I don't know, I just do it. Like, I'm gonna really try not to. I don't know, I just do it. I don't try to. It just happens. But I hope that I can create content now that isn't as cringeworthy. Since that's all done, I'm taking my Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, which is like just a flat brush. And then I just take some of the powder and I put that on my eyelid so that my eyelids don't crease. Next, I take the Essence Make Me Eyebrow Gel in the shade 02 Brownie Brows, because I don't want to spend $10 on a low gel, and I don't really have eyebrows that are nice. However, when this is just like, oh shoot, for my everyday, I just like to do this because it kind of gives them a little bit more color. By the way, this this brow gel is actually like really good. It's like $3 at Ulta. I should go pick it up. Next, I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light. I don't know about the drama, but I bought this like 2 years ago. Okay, like, yeah, probably like 2 years ago, and I still use it. I'm starting to hit pan on that shade, so. And that is the shade that I use, so I take like this e.l.f. brush that doesn't even have a name on it, and I just, there's a kind of contour slash bronze, just to like give my face a little bit of color. Alright, so with dance, I know that I used to be a channel that was very, like, I used to post a good amount of dance content, which I don't know if that's like still a thing that people want to see. Like, I don't know who's gonna watch that, so I don't know, let me know if you want to see stuff like that. But I do still dance. I dance at a different studio now, and I dance at school. And then, I know this is so wrong, I take this fluffy brush that doesn't have a name on it because it came off, and I just like like contour my nose with it because since it's fluffy, it's a lot harder to mess up. I do really like to do eyeshadow. However, on an everyday basis, I don't want to. I don't want to get up early enough to do that. So I take this Luna eyeshadow, which it doesn't really matter what the company is. I just got it in a Nipsey bag. And it's like this peachy color, and I feel like it looks really pretty with my eyes since I have blue eyes, and this really like brings them out. So I just take like this fluffy brush. Ooh, I can actually tell you what it is. It's a Farrah 35E. Yeah, that's like my eyeshadow. I don't know. I feel like my eyes, a lot of people can look really good without like anything on their eyelids and just mascara, but my eyes just look so like flat and small if I don't put anything. So I have to do something. So next, I'll put some blush on, which today I just feel like taking my Too Faced Baby Love Flush Foundation. Too Faced Love Flush Blush in the shade Baby Love. I'm sorry, that took so many calories for me to, my brain to fire that sentence. Alright, so, and then I'll take this Chic blush brush. So next, I take this really dirty Shiseido eyelash curler. So you probably can't really see the difference because I have short eyelashes. So recently I've been using the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara, but I kind of don't like it. If you're on a budget like me, the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise is good, but I don't even know if they're cruelty free. So, oh yeah, by the way, all my makeup is cruelty free because animals are cool. Do you see the difference? Like, dead? Got more than 6 hours of sleep. But ow. Okay. And I gotta make sure you get some on your bottom latch. Oh, frick! Okay. For this part, I have to take my Anastasia scented glow kit. And I take this little brush and I dip into Summer, which is the lightest shade, and I just do that. Now I take a little of these things from the back of a little eyebrow thing, and I just scrub it off, and it comes off really fast. But so lastly, I put some highlight on. So today I'll be going with my little pink theme. I'll be using my Laura Geller New York Charming Pink highlighter. Shout out to Kylie who bought me this like 3 years ago, and I still use it because I'm freaking nasty. Okay, so then I take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and I breathe it in. And I put it on like where I'm going to be putting my highlight. Spray the rest of my face. And I don't know if my lips are really bothering me. I'll take this like cool lip gloss that I bought at like Nordstrom Rack, and it has little flowers in it. It's from the brand Blossom, and it's in the mango scent. It's really like moisturizing. It's not sticky at all. Alright guys, so thank you for watching today's video. So this is my little glowy, everyday, quick makeup. Usually I do it faster, but I was talking and I was thinking hard about what I was doing, and I was trying not to make it look really gross, but usually I can get this done in like 10-15 minutes. For some people this might be a lot of makeup, for some people it might not be a lot. For me it's like right in between, because sometimes I like try to roll my cheekbones and I do like gold eyeshadow with like, I don't know, but sometimes I just put on some concealer and brow gel, call it a day, or I just do nothing. So, but this is for those days that I want to look kind of cute, but I don't look like I tried too hard, so. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos. I plan to post on every Saturday. Fingers crossed I can actually come through with that. Yeah, I feel like all of a sudden my personality has changed. Like, I'm acting like a girl now instead of a freaking crackhead. Yeah, subscribe, like this video, comment down below things that you want to see from me in the future, and yeah. I haven't done this in 2 years. I don't know how to do it. Okay, bye.